Hello everyone, Fantani, the Scout Ghost here at the bHaptics booth. You already know bHaptics, I don't have to introduce them. They make haptic devices for VR, so this is their shoot. But I'm here mostly to try the new gloves that are like this, so let me show them a bit better. They have improved them from the past. There is, by the way, one motor for every fingertip, there are two for the palm, one for the wrist, and there is also this new unit. So you see, they're pretty nice. How much is the cost, by the way? 300. So they cost $350. So remember, bHaptics mostly focuses on vibrational feedback. So these are all vibrating engines, and it was like maybe more than 2 years that I was not trying their gloves, and I would say they improved a lot. You see, now I'm touching this ball, which is very lightweight, and I can feel the touch point, and it's, I wouldn't say it's exactly like in real life, but it makes my experience more realistic. It's coherent with what I see, and now the ball is heavier, and I feel heavier contact, of course. So it gives me more immersion. That's what is needed by the gloves. I think this weight doesn't change much because you don't have the feedback on the muscles. But there are some things when you touch them, especially or the touch with the buttons here, or now that it lets me. Oh, this one, sorry. When you can draw in your hand and you so feel these motors on the palm vibrating, it's more nuanced than the past. I think the sensation is of the haptic feedback is better and it gives more realism than before. So now there are also these popping things which are nice. They also work if I pop the bubbles with the palm. Here I can like grab an object and pull it. Here I can move a lever. Maybe the lever is not the best example, but like this one, for instance, where I rotate the knob, I can feel a bit of it, or the buttons. The buttons, especially, or things you have to touch just are very cool. I think this is a great sensation. So that's that's for bHaptics today. I think that just to summarize, the sensation, especially of touching objects, pushing them, like making small movements on the fingertip, is very cool. Um, let's say realism is not 100%, but improves the immersion for sure. There is also the vibration on my shoot when I'm doing some other things, like I tried an experience and was an astro ship doing stuff. But this is something you already know, and I was very focusing too much on the gloves now. And by the way, they are working with the Quest. There's not a problem detecting my fingers and having hand tracking is not ruined by the gloves, so you can work them together with your Quest and play the games. It's pretty cool. And for developers, the bHaptics, I already collaborated with them a few years ago. They provide you a lot of help when you want to integrate bHaptics by giving you basically the best haptic vibration patterns to integrate in your game. So very cool. My thumbs up for bHaptics now. Sorry, Ghost. Crystal at the camera. Have a good day in VR. Bye bye.